So as you see, I'm not going to show you like all of my intentions that I write and affirmations, but what I do is I start off my week. I write like the week of 12/6 through 12/10, and I always start my journal with I do not chase, I attract. What's meant for me will simply find me. I speak that over each week, and then what I do is I just go down and I just start listing I am affirmations. The two words together, I am, are extremely powerful. So I say things like I am healed, I am loved, I am genuine, I am financially abundant, I am trusting in the Most High God. I am beautiful. Just anything that comes to my mind. You don't want to, think too much about it. You just kind of want to allow your thoughts to flow, and everything will kind of come to you. And there are some guided affirmations on YouTube that you could look up that help with, starting your journey. But over time, they just kind of flow and come to you. So normally I take some time, write all of these out, and then I'll speak it. I'm obviously not going to show you guys me speaking it out loud, but yeah, I normally just say all of these, say my prayer, and I always say like today is going to be a great day, and I believe it, you know what I mean? Because every day it's like a fresh start, a fresh slate, and if you go into the day with this energy of success, the day is going to go a lot smoother compared to if you wake up like what I was doing before, waking up, jumping out of bed, rushing, get ready, flying through traffic, being late to work. Like that type of stuff will kind of have like a rough start to your day because you're acting in like a lower vibration of stress and fear and anxiety. But when you start your day operating in faith, operating in confidence, operating in self-love, allowing yourself time to make your coffee, drink your water, write out your affirmations, pray. Starting your day like that, your day is going to go a whole lot smoother. Yum. I just made a matcha latte. I make it like, I was going to show you guys, but I need to get better at it before I show how I make it. But this one came out better. But yeah, guys, I just got home and I was going to go to Zara. I actually drove all the way there, but there was no parking, and I found a parking spot, but it was far, and I was just tired. I just wanted to get home, and like I get off of work around like 2:45, so by the time I got to the mall it was like 3 something, and I was like, if I stay at this mall, by the time I leave traffic is gonna get bad, and it's probably gonna take me like 45 minutes to an hour just to get home. So I was like, let me just go ahead and go and leave now while traffic isn't too bad. And if anything, I'll go to the mall like later, like this weekend or something. But anyways, guys, I am going to do my lashes, and I want to show you guys how to do it because yesterday I picked them off. They did last probably what, three days, I think, 3 or 4, something like that, 3 or 4 days. But last night I just started picking them off, so I was like, whatever, I'll show you guys how I do my DIY lashes in this video. So that's what I'm about to do now. Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you guys how I do my lashes. So like I showed in one of my vlogs, I showed you guys the products that I use, but I kind of switched it up the last time I did my lashes, and I kind of like this way better. I'm using a different glue. It's still from the same brand, Lashify, whatever that brand is. It's still from the same brand, but it's a different type of glue, and I feel like this way is a lot neater and it just looks a whole lot better. Are my favorite. I want to try out some others, but so far I really like these. These are the Ardell individuals, and this is how they look. Long black individuals from Ardell. So I'm using these lashes, and then I'm going to be looking into this mirror. This mirror is also from Lashify. You're going to need a spoolie to help comb out your lashes and make sure everything is nice. And then you're gonna need this little tweezer tool. You could use regular tweezers. I just like this one. This one is also from the same brand. For the glue, I'm using, instead of that charcoal glue that I showed you guys last time where I combed through my entire lash with the glue, I'm using something different because I didn't like the fact that I was applying that all over my lash. I feel like it just looked a little messy. So now what I do is I take the lash and dip it into a little bit of glue at the tip, and then I put it on my individual lash, kind of like how they do regular lash extensions. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. 1 second. Ooh, ignore my face, guys. Oh my gosh. All right. So, all right, you guys are a little closer. So what I'm gonna do, as you see, I have some old glue from when I did this the other day. I'm just gonna put the glue on top of this. And I'm using a clear glue, so it dries clear. It comes out white, but it dries clear. And I am just going to put some of the glue on here. But before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and take off my, take out my lashes from the tray. I'm taking my glue, and it just comes out like this. And I'm just gonna put this on the tips. I'm gonna put this right on here. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking, Dior is like looking ready to jump up, and I'm like, please don't mess with me while I'm doing, Dior, B. All right, so now I'm just taking my mirror, getting everything set up, and I'm gonna start on this eye first. All right, so I'm gonna start on this eye first. Let me zoom you guys in so you can see. All right, so I'm starting on this eye. I'm taking one of the lashes. I'm dipping the tip in the glue, and I'm immediately going in here, and I'm putting it underneath on my lower lash line, adding pieces randomly until I get a shape that I like. Alrighty guys, so I just finished my lashes. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see them a little better. Okay, so this is how, ignore my edges, this is how they look. I am gonna, eventually go back to getting my lashes, but I'm just trying to give my real lashes a little break, because I feel like it was just a lot, like that glue, and I just wanted to let my real lashes breathe. And I do love the way lash extensions look, but this is just a good healthier alternative. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'm gonna go ahead and end it here so that I can edit it and get it uploaded by tonight, guys, tomorrow in the next one. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. Comment down below if you have any questions, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye guys.